It's not the same as when I was punched. In the old days there was enough. The card games and ease with the bitter soul of blood. I was in but I won out. My mother's love is choking me. I'm sick of words that hang above my head. What about the kid? It's